Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so there are two different things, in my own opinion. So data analysis is it's a particular discipline that's very very much close to data science. So just as the word connotes, analytics, data. So we generate data every day. So if you look at, for instance, let's say for instance Facebook, they have all kinds of profiles of people there, right? Different people from different industries. They basically track what you like. They know your profession. They know the school you've attended because you updated your profile on Facebook. So let's use that for instance. There is an algorithm behind the scene that is, of course, learning all of this. There is a system that is collecting all of this data, and that is where they're basically building all the AI models on top of it. So if we want to understand data itself, you want to learn from data, you want to gain insight from data, aggregation of data. A very popular example is during the COVID-19. If you remember, during the COVID, there's a broadcast that was happening every now and then from the from the prime minister. Now, how do you think they're getting all of those? It's based on aggregation of different systems, databases that they have, based on, I believe it's from NHS, and they are able. So someone has sat down to collect this data. They use all sort of tools. So for instance, they might be using what we call Power BI from Microsoft. Might be using Tableau. They might be doing some all sort of queries as well directly from a database and then bringing it into one dashboarding system. So that is all of that in terms of, it's more of collection of data, analyzing data, trying to gain insight so that you can make informed decisions. Data, and that operates in any industry because you can generate data anywhere, whether it's telecoms, whether it's airspace, whatever it is. Business analysis is different. Business analysis is, in my own interpretation, is very close to, let's say, products. If you're involved in product, for instance, not just products, of course, it could be services as well, but business, because if you bring it in the IT space, because you can have business analysts in different sectors. Let's get it straight. Business analysts operate in different sectors, but I'm going to speak because I'm in the IT space, so I'm going to use business. So if you're a business analyst in the IT space, you are likely to work closely with a lot of product managers, product designers. So if I have a vision for a product, and I need to walk through the ideation period up to the point where I start to do what we call market feasibility studies to understand if this product is actually, if it's going to be worthwhile. Is it worth investing in? Okay, what are the factors? What are the things that I need to monitor before I can say that, okay, yes, we can, work on this product? The product requirements analysis, the go-to-market strategy, what do I need to consider before I can present to a team of investors? How do I justify that this product is worth investing? I will bring a business analyst for that role to do that. But of course, a business analyst must have skills of a data analyst. You are not an expert as a data analyst, but you need to have some data analytics skills because you need to work with data. You need to analyze. You need to give me some statistical metrics, graphical representation. But you are not really a data analyst. But as a business analyst, you should have the skills of a data analyst. The data analyst is the expert. Business analysis is more interested in what is the value that I need to get out of this thing and what impact is it going to have in the market. And for me to do that, I have to play with data. But that doesn't make me a data analyst. I hope I've been able to help.
Yes,